Hello trading gang, James is here with another video analysis, and in this video analysis I'd like to touch several currency pairs based on my trading plans for an upcoming week. Alright, first of all, cable, pound dollar. On monthly time frame we can spot that price is now trending on a clear downtrend. Price was making lower low, and lower high, and currently making lower low, and we made a pullback to the previous structure. And from this, testing the previous structure, now currently the price is falling down. And on monthly time frame, we can spot that currently we are having two beautiful bearish candlestick patterns, which we call this dark cloud cover. And now, currently on monthly perspective, we are, yes, bearish. We are bearish on this pair. But if we switch to daily time frame, we can spot that price is now pushing up from the measure support area, and now currently after breakout of the support trend line we may see a little bit pullback to test the broken zones. In this scenario it's going to be the death zone. Here we have the beautiful zone because here we got the structure and here we got the structure, and if price pulls back to test the broken structure, broken previous kill zone, we may look for short opportunities. And now, yes, I have planned a trading plan for you on this one. We got trend line, we got kill zone, and we got the pattern. And if we switch to H4 time frame, we can spot that currently at the previous structure we have this beautiful bearish bad pattern, and bad patterns D-leg is confluencing with the broken support zone, which now stands as a mirror resistance, and this is going to be our kill zone. That's why I marked this as a yellow color. And we got this beautiful resistance trend line. We have tested this resistance trend line for once, twice, third time, and fourth time almost, and now pushing up to test the broken support trend line, which now stands for resistance, and testing the D-leg between 134.85 and 134.97. If we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmation signals, we can look for short opportunities. Now currently we have three confluence reasons, and the bearish pattern is going to be our fourth confluence reason. So if we sell, where our stop loss will be? Our stop loss, alright, let's say we sold right at here, right? We sold right at here. Our stop loss is going to be 113 level of Fibonacci, and our take profit one is going to be the test of this previous structure, which is going to bring us 137 pips in profit and 70 pips in loss. So in total 1 to 2 squared ratio. Why I'm marking this zone as a measure zone? Because if we spot here, we may form inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder neckline, head, neckline. This is already, we have the right shoulder, or if this one we don't count as a right shoulder, our right shoulder is going to be right at here. We may form the right shoulder right at here at the test of the previous structure. So that's why this support zone at the area of 133.22 is going to be my take profit one if I sell here with the beautiful pattern confirmation signals. If my this technique is going to be not violated, and if price will not close and broke above and close above this resistance trend line and this kill zone, I will sell this pair. If price breaks and close above the kill zone, I'm not going to touch this pair. So my target is going to be at the area of 133.22, and my take profit is going to be at the area of 135.29, which is going to give me 1 to 2 squared ratio. Okay, this is my take profit one, and take profit two I'm going to look at I'm looking at my take profit 2 is going to be the test of this structure, the next support area at 128.45, which is going to bring me 600 pips. Alright, so now currently let's look at take profit 1, and this is trade setup on GBP USD. based on this beautiful three lineup confluence reasons, and fourth confluence reason is going to be our sell price action pattern signal. And now move on to GBP JPY, the same scenario. On GBP JPY, on monthly time frame, we can spot that price is now clearly trending on a downtrend. And after forming this beautiful previous month, 2 months ago, bearish pin bar, now currently the price already with this previous month broken close below the bearish pin bar, which now indicates a good sell opportunity on this pair. And if we switch to H4 time frame, what we can spot here is, yes, broken structure again. Here we got support, and support was broken and pulled back, just a broken support zone, and price pushed down. And now currently with this beautiful bearish bat pattern, we are going to again test the broken support zone, which now stands as a mirror kill resistance area. Once price reaches this area between 146.80th and 147.20th, between this area, if we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmation signals, we will be still looking for buy sell opportunities. And without pattern confirmation, we never sell. We need just pattern confirmation such as bearish pin bar or tweezer stops or hammer, or like bearish engulfing, or like head and shoulders in smaller time frames, or double top in smaller time frames. Any kind of pattern confirmation between these levels is going to give us good sell opportunity. And if we sell here, where are we going to place our stop loss? Our stop loss is going to be, yep, you are right, at 1.13, which is going to be 100 pips. The real 100 pips. And take profit one is going to be this neckline of double bottom pattern, because we got here the first bottom push up, second bottom shoot up. All right, and take profit one is going to be 145 pips, which is going to give us 1 to 1.4 squad ratio, which is kind of can try with good sell signals. And take profit two is going to be the test of this previous structure, which is going to give us 300 pips. So sell setup on GBP yen, sell setup on GBP USD. As I mentioned always, guys, never ever enter the trade without confluence reasons. Always enter the trade with good price action or trend pattern confirmation signals. Without those signals, you are just blindly risking your capital. Once price reaches our zones, look for pattern confirmations, not just enter the trade. All right, Aussie NZD weekly time frame. If you still remember, around like 4 or 5 or even 6 months ago, I gave an idea of buying Aussie NZD with this beautiful shark pattern. Yes, we already bought Aussie NZD and we took profit in previous hour signals. Take profit, and we took until take profit 2, and we closed the trade. And now currently this pair is going to give us another chance to enter the trade. After forming the D-leg of shark pattern, price shoot up and already closed and broke above this resistance trend line. And now currently the price is testing the resistance trend line. It's already been tested. The resistance trend line has already been tested. And on H4 time frame, we can spot that price already broke and closed below the descending channel's resistance trend line. What I'm waiting for in this trade, I'm waiting for the price to push up to form the clear neckline of head and shoulders pattern. This is going to be head, and if after forming the clear neckline, I'm waiting for the price to push down and form the right shoulder. If this is going to be happen on the right shoulder, I'm going to buy with clear price action pattern confirmation signals. My stop loss is going to be the below the head, and my take profit one is going to be the test of this previous structure. All right, wait for the right shoulder to be formed. If it doesn't form, never ever enter the trade. Never ever buy Aussie NZD. So buy setup on Aussie NZD. Next one, EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Weekly time frame. What do you spot? What do you spot here on weekly time frame on EuroCAD? Huh? Tell me. Tell me what you spot here. Yes, of course. Bullish rejection. Why? Tell me the reason why. Okay, now let me color this green because this is a support. We have tested the support trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. And now currently we are testing the support zone for 10th time. And also, on weekly time frame, we already have formed two, not one, two bullish pin bars. Here we got the last week, here we got the this week, bearish pin bars, which indicates, yes, we may see some bullish trend on this pair. Look at daily time frame. What can we see? Yes, Morningstar price action pattern. Bearish candle, doji, bullish candle, closed above the high of the bullish doji. Yes, bullish Morningstar price action pattern at the key support area. Looking at H4 time frame, what do you spot? Nothing, right? But I spot. What do I spot? I spot here neckline, left shoulder, neckline, head, neckline, right shoulder, shoot up. If price will pull back to our kill zone at the area between 1.50, and 1.5056 in this yellow rectangle kill zone, buy kill zone. If I spot any kind of bullish pattern confirmations, I'm going to buy this pair with the stop loss below the head, and take profit is going to be far away from here. Where I'm going to place my stop loss? Now let me count. Let's look at daily time frame to place my stop loss. Sorry, take profit. Stop loss is already below the head of head and shoulders pattern. The internet. Is it working or not? Yeah, it's working. My take profit is going to be the test of this previous structure. I'll write it here. Now let's calculate. I bought here. Stop loss is below the head. Take profits at the previous structure. 175 pips and loss, 240 pips in profit, and 1 to 2.7 risk reward ratio. Great opportunity. Take profit 2. Previous structure high, 1000 pips and a profit if we are right on this analysis. So look into H1 time frame. Oh my god, look at this, dude. On every time frame we have clear pattern confirmation signals. First bottom, neckline, second bottom, break above the neckline, and now if we push back to test the broken neckline of double bottom pattern on H1 time frame, yes, around this our kill zone, in this our kill zone at 1.5011 and 1.5056, if we spot any kind of bullish pattern confirmation signals, we can already look for buy opportunities on this pair. So these are the current potential trade setups. If you have any kind of questions, just DM our admin on Maestro FX admin, and I will answer all your questions. So thanks for your attention, guys, and bye bye till the next video.